you just seen how it cold starts, and it's pretty fucking rough, man. It's not that cold, eh? We're in summer, and it's starting like, oh, like it's in Alaska. Like, I've seen some cold starts on YouTube, man, and this is up there with the best of them. So I'm gonna take it to the shed, and we're gonna whip the glow plugs out of it, and I'm gonna start by hooking them all up to 12 volts and seeing if any of my glow plugs, or which ones of my glow plugs, are dead. Hopefully at least 3 of them are dead, and that explains why it's so shit to start. We got the ute in the shed. Now what we're going to do is pull the glow plugs out. So for anyone that doesn't know, you've got the glow plug rail along here, which is a positive, and then they're earthed because they're bolted through the head. You've got 4 glow plugs, one there, there. So take the glow plug rail off first. Well, I can take the glow plug harness off first, then the glow plug rail off, then undo all 4 glow plugs, and then we're going to put them over on the bench and we're going to bench test them. So let's get to it. So, got our 4 glow plugs sitting here. Got my battery charger next to me. What we're going to do now is hook up a negative to there and a positive to the top electrode there, which was where that rail was sitting. That rail there. And we're going to go through them all and make sure that they still work. Now, I'm hoping that I find at least 2 to 3 of these that don't work, because the way we seen that cold start this morning was shit. So I feel like there's only 2 glow plugs that are working in it. And if there's any more than 2 glow plugs that are working in it, it should start a whole lot easier than it is. Now, if we do have at least 2 to 3 glow plugs working, I've got bigger issues. I'm thinking the injectors are fucked. You know, yeah, injectors are fucked, compression's down, it could be anything, you know. That motor's been given a hard life, as seen here. Right, so let's look up our first glow plug. We've got our terminals here, battery charger set on 12 volts. We've got power. So, negative goes on the outside of it, positive on the end, and if it's working, it should light up red. And I know it's probably not working because there's no spark coming off there. So it's not dragging, it's not drawing any current. So I'll leave it on there for a few seconds and we'll see what happens. I'm even going to touch it. So that's dead cold. So that glow plug there is shit. No good. Let's try the next one. Red on the end. Now see, you can see already that this glow plug is good because it's got resistance. It's got current. It wants to draw current. Now we should see this start glowing red very shortly. There you go. So that tells me that glow plug, that one's a good one. We're on to our third spark plug now, and same deal, no spark, so this one's dead as well. So we'll sit on it for a couple of seconds just to make sure, but I'm fairly confident this one's no good. And look at that, we've found another dead one. Okay, I know I said there was 2 spark plugs good and 2 were bad, but my numbers were wrong. Fucking warm beer, man, fucks you up. So there's actually 3 bad and 1 good. So I've only got 1 spark plug, 1 glow plug starting my 4-cylinder diesel engine when it's cold. So no wonder it is shit when it's cold. Fucking best of luck. So here they are. We've got those 3 there that are dead, that one there that's good. I'm not going to be able to replace those glow plugs today because broke as fuck. So we're going to have to order them in on Monday. Probably not even order them in. Probably just going to have to buy them on Monday, and we'll throw them in Monday night, and we'll do some more cold starts, and we'll do a before and after. Hopefully she's mint. Fingers crossed. But for now, because I'm going to need to drive this thing home, I'm going to have to put those buggered glow plugs back in just to get compression back. And to show you what I mean, I'll crank it over with no glow plugs in it.